Good morning. We're on Don Outdoor Adventures this morning on Saturday morning. I feel good. God has blessed me to see another day. He's woke me up this morning in my right mind, activities of my limbs. And I just want to thank him this morning for just blessing me with another day. I feel so good. I wanted to cook some food today out here on the grill. This is what we used to do back at home. We get up early in the morning and get the grill going, stank up the whole neighborhood. This day and age, people don't do that no more, hardly. They want to sleep in on Saturday, but I'm old-fashioned Army vet. Can't sleep long. Got to get up early and do my duties or my chores around the house. So I didn't painted a little bit. I stained my pastor plates and getting them all ready, but. I'm gonna show you what I'm working with here. I got some pork steaks that I'm putting on the grill this morning. And there they are right there. Got them all seasoned up. Got the fire hot and ready. So we're just gonna throw them on there right quick and see what we do. Oh yeah, they nice. Nice and ready. Put them directly on them coals. Got my daughter, she wanted to come over today, so I'm gonna surprise everybody and cook up a little bit of something. I'm gonna have some bratwurst later to cook up. But there you have it right there, y'all. Pork steaks on the grill. That's gonna be nice. Like I said, I let them cook there, let this air circulate a little bit, get that flame kicked up a little more, and then we're gonna be ready to roll. Like I said, early Saturday morning, I can't sleep in. I got to get out and do my thing, and that's what I'm doing right now. It's still cool out. It's not hot, but it's getting there. So I figure I get these on, get them cooked, get them wrapped, and then when it gets hot, they'll be slow cooking here in the next 30 minutes. They'll be slow cooking, wrapped up in foil. I got some bratwurst I'm gonna be bringing out too that my neighbor made for me. So, like I said, cooking it up on Saturday morning. We'll see you next time on Don Outdoor Adventures on the grill.